Angisalta nawe. Nizim Africa, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, and hello. So Samsinjani. Hey, what do you need to check? Okay. I'm sure I'm writing a lenjalene. Ngilanake. So, bakwethu, nansi indaba. Kunabantu ukuthi bayazibuza ukuthi phezulu kwempilo zabo kahle kahle kwenzakalani ngempilo zabo, yini, why nginamabhadi, why ngingathandeki, why are my things not going the way I want? At some point you are losing serious business opportunities. At some point you are losing serious opportunities such as promotions, being elevated work, power, money, and all that from your job. Or maybe normally in just employment. What is causing that? The problem is that many of you believe that don't have that belief of taking a bath after having sex. You know, after having sex, you must make sure that you take a serious bath. After having sex, you must make sure that you take a serious bath so that you can never run or go around with the spirit of a human being of which you don't even know what kade enzani nabobani. There are people of which you are having sex today, especially you guys of which intanda with people of which usuka ebantwini aba 100 dala lento idlana isifika kwena crippled. Now uyayifaka lo muntu ufika kwena crippled, but now uyayifaka. Uyavuma ukudliwa lo muntu lo osuka wonke lo mhlaba lo force lonke lo mhlaba lo alana nabantu bonke. Then today, since you met this person, your things are not particularly going the way you want or the way you know them. The issue of having sex with a person and afterwards you do not apply this rule of cleansing yourself, it's a very serious thing. It is so problematic for you not to cleanse yourself after having sex. So today this video is all about teaching you things of which you should always have after having sex. One, umlotha. Just normal ash from emlilweni. Lo mlotha loyo uhlala unawo. Uma ekhaya nibasa umlilo, thatha umlotha usefe uhlala unawo. Make it ukuthi akuthi halalila la zololo la zalala. Make it ukuhamba ethi geza. Nakhona uma ekhona geza. Ungathandi ukuthi after sex uhleli insila yomuntu. You know that lo muntu lo wakho ukushiya ngeminyaka about 30 years. Ukushiya ngeminyaka about 20 years. The guy is WH. Kudala edla ontanga kama wakho. Wonke lo mhlaba lo abafufa kakwayi. Cabanga nje uzolala umuntu eyokuthi kade bona amashisha abantu abadala. Amabhadi angakaphezulu impilo yakho. Then afterwards utlabu feel normal. Please make sure that after sex, geza. After ulalana, please make sure that you do take a serious bath. Uma wenze njalo uzokwazi ukuhlambuluka. Nabantu bakini bayakwazi baze nenhlanhla kuwe. Nengilozi zakini ziyakwazi zekwena ngenhlanhla. Nabantu bakini bayakwazi uxoxa nawe. Nabantu bakini bayakwazi ukukhuluma nawe. Nabantu bakini bayakwazi ukubuya kwena. Lento ukuthi idlozi lambile, idlozi alisekho, idlozi aliqoshwa umthakathi. Khohlwa, idlozi aliqoshwa umuntu. Idlozi liqoshwa iphunga lokulalana nabantu abarong. Mnike lento lenkomo mama, mnike lenduku baba, but afterwards make sure that you do bath. By just doing that, you can never resist if feeling a sex. Why can't you? You can't resist because of it is It is not natural and being like umuntu to have sex. But make sure that you apply isimo sokuthi wenza njani? Uyageza. This is Dr. Hoti. Then try to always make sure that at least once in a month, ugeza ngeqanda. Iqanda. You can take 3. If you don't have 3, at least take 2. Yawaphula amaqanda, ugeze ngawo. Amaqanda ayakwazi ukuvala noma ukususa amabhadi asuke ehamba nawe all the time. Amaqanda ayakwazi ukulahla amabhadi nemilingo esuke ihamba nawe all the time. Amaqanda ayakwazi ukudedisa nokuhambisa izimo zemimoya emibi phezulu kwempilo yakho. Amaqanda ayakwazi ukwenza ukuthi imimoya nemilingo emibi ihambe phezulu kwempilo yakho. But uma kuyikuthi umuntu since walalana awusebenzise muthi awucleansi awuyenzi ini amabhadi yakho akuyeka abathakathi, then just do a self introspection kuwe ukuthi kanti mina ezumuntu yikuphi la ngihamba khona wrong. Ulalo umuntu wakhona ulala nomkakhe, umkakhe wenza abortion or girlfriend yakho wenza abortion. Ningama girlfriend no5 kulo muntu lo no5 lo wenza abortion. Lona kuba bashonelwe, lona kuba kwenziweni without this person even cleansing himself afike kuwe ayifake le nduku yakhe. Mengicela ukuyifaka le nduku yakhe, what happens to you spiritually? What happens to you as a normal human being? What happens to you njengomuntu osebenzayo? What happens to you njengentombazana efuna izinto ezinkulu empilweni yayo? Akukho kwenzakalayo. Instead konke kuyamosheka. Instead konke kuyahlangana. Instead izinto ziyamosheka kumosheke ungazi nokuthi nawe kanti kwenzeke ini. Ukulala nabantu without cleansing yourself. Make sure ukuthi all the time uma uhlangene nomuntu ekseni geza. Cleanse yourself, geza. Mamela ngwaneso, I believe that you will apply into engujele yona. If not, again, there's nothing I can do as a traditional healer. Ngilana for wena. Kuyimanje, I would love to talk ngenyanga eseFanderbilt Park. Inyanga eseFanderbilt Park. Please do make sure that uyamfonela umudinga usizo ukhulume naye. Ugogo uMadlamini, umsebenzi wakhe uhlola abantu, uphakamisa abantu, uthwalisa abantu. Uma umuntu ukuthi you would like ukuthi uthwaliswe inyanga noma umuntu wesifazane ngoba bona babanobubele nokuzwela nokusiza more than abantu besilisa. Ugogo uMadlamini, amanamba akhe it is 069 5555 which is 4 5s 979. I repeat again, 069 455 979. Ugogo uMadlamini, ungamfonela akusize avule izinto zakho, akulungisele impilo yakho konke ukwazi ukukhanya. Please also write there, it is 069 5555 which is 4 5s plus 979. Then the other numbers of Gogo Madlamini, it is 069 650 6678. Amanamba lana kaGogo uMadlamini. Please make sure that uyamfonela akwazi ukukusiza. Then ukume ngogogo Mama Silabelo. Gogo Mama Silabelo. Ugogo Mama Silabelo will be able to help you very ngendlela ehlonipheke kakhulu. Yena akathwalisi. Into ayenzayo uyathwasisa, uvula inhlanhla zabantu, ajike futhi uma umuntu odinga mhlawumbe uyi self initiate, you need a mentor, udinga umuntu ozokuprofita, udinga umuntu osebenza ngemithi nangamanzi. Yena she's both a prophet and a healer. I repeat, Gogo Mama Silabelo, she's a prophet and a healer. She's a prophet and a healer. Uyakwazi ukulapha, uyakwazi ukulungisa imishado, uyakwazi uqinisa imizi, uyakwazi ukwenza ukuthi umuntu impilo yakhe ibe ngcono. uyakwazi ukulungisa indaba zeimali zomuntu kodwa akathwalisi. Igubhu zemali, inhlanhla zemali uyakwazi ukwenzela. Umuntu omkhulu kakhulu emoyeni, angakuphakamisa avule into zakho konke kukwazi ukuthi kukhanye futhi kuye phambili. Yena utholakala endaweni yase Kanana Park Extension 5. Kanana Park Extension 5. Amanamba akhe athi 084 941 4030. I repeat again, it is 084 941 4023. 084 941 4023. I repeat, Mama Silabelo usendaweni yaseKanana Park Extension 5. IKanana Park udlula iSouthgate, udlula iKibla Park, udlula iMajazana, then uthola iKanana Park. If you are driving via N1, iKanana Park udlula iGrassmere Plaza, then you take your left. Uzothola iKanana Park lapho. It is 084 941 4023. That is Gogo Mama Silabelo. Kube kuyikuthi wena muntu othi mina ngifuna nje isangoma impela, isangoma esongisebenza, isangoma esigidisayo. Mina ngifuna ukuthwasa, ngifuna isigubhu futhi ngifuna izinto zenhlanhla, mhlambe ngifuna amabaso, ngifuna izinto zokwazi ukuthi zivula into zami konke kukhanye. Bengicela ufonele ugogo uPalo. Ugogo uPalo, she's in Fine Town. Palo yenhle yabadimu, Palo yenhle yabadimu, Gogo Palo yabadimu. Use Fine Town. Her numbers is 069 274 4575. Uma umuntu odinga isangoma somdawo, lesangoma esathwasa umdawo, amanamba akhe athi 069 274 4575. Izinyanga lezi ezikhona endaweni yase Goli, abantu ukuthi bayenza imisebenzi emihle yokuvula impilo zabantu, yokuphakamisa impilo zabantu. I repeat again, ugogo Mama Silabelo inyanga lena ekwazi ukuvula into zomuntu, umuntu aphakame, impilo yakhe ibenhle. I said amanamba kagogo Mama Silabelo athi 084 941 4023. Gogo Mama Silabelo uzokusiza. Phone kulabo gogo labo bakusize bavula into zakho. Imithi yabo eyeqiniso, akusile mithi le ethengiswa kulama shop yena abaqhamele ngathi kuqhamela imithi yakho engasebenzi nezinyama engasebenzi nokusebenza. Ngiyabathanda abantu besifazane bazokwenza into zabo kahle konke. Siyabonga. Thank you. Consulta nawe.